Hi there, my name is Adam and I will be introducing ACDSee Photo Studio 2026. This tutorial looks at the new AI Denoise tool. Available in both Ultimate and Professional 2026, AI Denoise takes the guesswork out of noise reduction by performing content-aware noise adjustments. In either Ultimate or Professional 2026, you can find AI Denoise as a component of batch editing. Within Manage mode, simply click on Batch and navigate to AI Denoise. This operation can be applied to multiple images at once. In Edit mode, in either Professional or Ultimate 2026, you can also find AI Denoise as a component of the noise reduction tool. Simply scroll down to find the Detail Filter section and select Noise. Under the Remove Noise tab, located up at the top, you can also choose your noise removal method, of which AI Denoise is the last option. Clicking on AI Denoise will prompt the operation to take place, and from here you can actually compare it with manual denoise methods. In Ultimate, simply navigate to Filter, AI, and Denoise. You can also find it on the leftmost filter menu under the AI section. Note that Ultimate also features AI Denoise from the AI Actions menu located right here on the right, just above the adjustment layers. Clicking Denoise from the filter menus will open up a window where the strength can be adjusted. A lower strength will reduce the effect. Additionally, brushes, or gradients, can be used to selectively apply the effect of denoise. Now that you know where denoise is in the user interface, how is it different from previous noise reduction effects? I want to showcase how effective this tool is in comparison to older noise reduction methods using a historical photo of Neil Armstrong. In previous versions of ACDSee, noise reduction was a manual adjustment that often applied uniform effects to your image. Here is my original image. Note that while subtle, the image contains noise, especially on his left side and in the lit area above him. Let's showcase this image again using a manual noise reduction found in either ACDSee Ultimate or Professional. You can see that even with a light to moderate effect applied, a lot of detail has been lost, especially in the shadows. Here's that same image again, but this time using AI Denoise. You can see that AI Denoise has done a much better job at preserving the detail in the shadows while still applying a realistic denoise pass. Here's another example. This is the original. This is with manual noise reduction. And this is with the new AI Denoise.